Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. Green color, yellow color, blue color, red color, black color, and the last one is brown color. Now we coloring and draw numbers. First we use green color and now we draw 1. The number of 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. The number of 2. Now we draw 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Kids, now we draw 4. The number of 4. The next one is 5. Now we draw 5. Now we draw the number of 5. And the next one is 6. The number of 6. Now we draw 7 and use blue color. Now we draw 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. The next one is 8. The number of 8. Now we draw 9. The number of 9. Kids, the next one is 10. Now we draw the number of 10. The next one is 11. Now we draw 11 and the next one is 12. Now we use black color. Now we use black color. The number of 12. The next one is 13. Now we draw 13. The next one is 14. The number of 14. Now we draw 15. The number of 15. Next one is 16. Now we use yellow color. The number of 16. The next one is 17. Now we draw 17. The next one is 18. "19. Now we draw 19. And the last one is 20. The number of 20. So kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.